Galmudug leader arrive in central town. Somali PM hosts international community representatives. Somalia says army killed 7 militants in raid on Al-Shabaab. Somalia WFP Inc. deal for emergency locust program. US and Somalia sign bilateral agreement on Paris Club debt. Somalia's new PM takes office. Pledges to fight women abuses. Somali, Kenyan troops exchange gunfire in border firefight. Galmudug leader arrive in central town. Galmudug President Ahmed Abdi Carrier has reached the central town of Galkayo on Monday on a working visit, according to a statement by the state's presidency. The regional leader, accompanied by top officials in his administration, will inspect the pass-out of new troops trained at a camp in the south of the town in the coming days. Galmudug, one of the newest Somali states, has been in turmoil for years and divisions until the election of the current president, who once served as a federal state minister. Somalia says army killed 7 militants in raid on Al-Shabaab. The commander-in-chief of the Somali Armed Forces, General Odawa Yusuf Rage, said Monday that the SNA soldiers have neutralized 7 Al-Shabaab during an operation. The state media, citing Rage, reported that the latest crackdown saw the recapture of key areas in Lower Shabelle, a contested region that witnessed rising U.S. military airstrikes. Somali troops, with the support of OAS and U.S. personnel, are making gains against the al-Qaeda-linked militants in several fronts in the southern region as the nation heads to polls. Despite this, Al-Shabaab still a potent threat to the security and staging car bombs in the country, mainly in the seaside capital, Mogadishu, where the government is based. Somalia's new PM takes office, pledges to fight women abuses. The newly appointed Prime Minister of Somalia, Mohamed Hussein Roble, has taken the office from the acting and Deputy PM Mahdi Mohamed Guld Qadar on Sunday. Cabinet members and other high-ranking government officials were in attendance at the handover event held at the PM's office inside the heavily guarded presidential palace. In his speech, Roble has vowed to fight hard to end the ongoing abuses against the women and children in Somalia and will give this task top priority. Somalia has been in turmoil for decades and witnessed an abundant crisis, including civil war, piracy, terrorism, and natural disasters in the past 3 decades.